Hello friends, welcome back to my channel to watch plenty of videos on machine learning using Python. As we have gone through many videos on machine learning, we have gone through many videos on Keras, we have gone through many videos on FAIR library, facial emotion recognition library. We have also seen a lot of videos on deep face library, hand tracking using Python and speech recognition using Python, and many more videos using Python in machine learning. Today's video is about traffic sign recognition using CNN and Keras. I will explain in short about CNN. CNN stands for Convolutional Neural Network. It is used to pick up features from image. It also helps in processing output to capture eyes, face, etc. So let us go through the program in detail. First of all, importing the required libraries needed for the program. Then next statement, from zip file, import zip file. It is used for, it is a data path. Then data set is equal to data, visualize of data understood by key feature. Then label in the CSV file. Then show any image from the data set, visualize the image, that's a field. And here path directory in dataset, and here class number is equal to train ds. And here we are going to see, since we want to display the data in matplotlib, so we need to adjust all the figures data set in matplotlib. That's why these syntax statements are written to adjust the image in the matplotlib and load the images. Now I will execute the program. Loading data set for visualizing the image. Now I will execute the program. Yes, particular image has been loaded. Yes, so I have successfully done with traffic sign recognition using Keras and CNN. I have taken more efforts to create this video. If you like this video, please share with friends, subscribe to my channel, and tell something about how you like this video in comments. Thank you very much for watching this video.